Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. How to save selected data or selected range or specific section as PDF file in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is all our record, but we want to save selected record as PDF file. Now select your record like this. Now you see we select few record. Now go to print section, control P. So we are in print section. Now you see multiple option. Now you see setting and then you see print active sheet. Now select and then you see drop down option, print selection. Only print the current selection. Now select. So this is our selected record or range from sheet and then you see printer option. Now select and then you see Microsoft Print to PDF. Now select this option. Now select it and then click on print. Now you see printing as PDF document. So you can add some name. Excel 1 PDF document. We want to save this section as PDF and then click on save. Now save done and then we are going to check it. So this is our excel1.pdf. Now open. Now you see PDF file and this PDF file only show selected data from Microsoft Excel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.